Hagelin again, right in front. Eric Fehr scores! Eric Fehr comes on for Phil Kessel to defend, and he gets the 3-1 goal.
Right, Jim, nothing about offense. Brendan Dillon with one hand can't get it deep. Joe Thornton tries to keep it alive. Pavelski can't. A heads-up play by Hagelin, and Fehr just comes in, buries his head. First point in 9 games, and none bigger than that for number 16.
Now, when you are the offensive team and you're in mid-ice, nothing good can happen. It can only be bad, and when the turnover happens, 66 knows this one's in the bag.